Now, about 99% of the Lahu people in the States today are from Laos. There are approximately 18 different groups of Lahu. But tonight, I would like to share the 4 main groups of Lahu with you guys. These groups are divided by their spoken dialect. Lahu Na, which means the black Lahu, and they are the most commonly spoken dialect. Followed by the Lahu C, which means the golden yellow Lahu. The third group is the Lahu Pu, which means the white Lahu. And the fourth group is the Lahu Ni, which means the red Lahu. The majority of the Lahu people in the States are the Lahu C group or the golden Lahu. And I believe all the current and former Lahu students of COS are from the Lahu C group. Lahu is a Tibeto-Burman language according to the American linguist. The Lahu people had to rely on storytelling and traditional singing in order to pass down their culture. They were first introduced to the script in the late 1890s by the American missionaries. And today, about 99.9% of the Lahu C in America identify themselves as Christians. Prior to coming to the States, they also believe in other religions such as polytheism, animism, and Buddhism. They also practice Sa, which means black magic. The Lahu food is very similar to its surrounding neighbors, such as Thai, Lao, Hmong, and Mien. Some of our favorite dishes are egg rolls, steamed rice, pork and sour bamboo soup, fried rice, and noodle salad. The famous Vietnam War was a tragedy for millions of people from both countries. However, it brought blessings to the Lahu people from Laos. The war paved a way for the Lahu to come to America, but not without a cost. The Lahu men, along with many other men from different ethnic groups, joined the American CIA, became soldiers, and fought against the Communist Party. Many lives were sacrificed due to the war.
Kita salai asa alai mali gasuji lagali gana ganosi.
American CIA made a promise to those that supported them to bring them to America if they were to withdraw the war.
Kala uhota ma botale yokhege ma bole sungwe ye hajule kalamya latu vikatitile tivila yapato lapheji.
When the Americans withdrew the war, they kept their promise.
Kete kala chote pawo yakatitiwe he katitira kakaswa kane haju si tihi yao.
The first Laosi group arrived in America and landed in, the first Laosi group arrived in America and landed in Redwood City, California in early 1980.
Opi matemu tihi koha hichikota lahu tipa kalamya lagai opi matemu le Redwood City malu California where aviva po hai hatimu kuya.
The second group, who were sponsored by the Mormon Church, arrived in Salt Lake City, Utah in the same year.
Okano ni mutemu tihi koha hichikota momente pa nia gala sponsor tile lajwala Utah Salt Lake City lu gala haji yao.
A few years later, the Lahu families found out about the warmer climate in California and moved to Visalia in 1983.
Kete tiko niko keto gala chulu California okulu chivite pa cheki akate paha mole si sepato okano niko kayanga te pochulu Visalia lu kotaji yao.
Visalia has been home to the Lahu people for over 40 years.
Kete lau yate pa Visalia ko cheli onchi ko pawe yao.
It is more suitable for living and growing vegetables than the snowy climate in Utah.
Lau choda ji cheki tichati doki kacha do chaki o chiti pa ngwe tianta malu Utah lo ke so lau opu chedaja pato lau yate pa chukashi.
Now we have more than 3,000 Lahu people living in Visalia and other parts of the country like Minnesota and North Carolina.
Ame lau yate pa kalamu myo kulu se panga keto jo ho kete tipe California ko che Minnesota che North Carolina che ho.
So this is a brief history of our Lahu people here in America.
Kalamya la yo yang we lau olong le a chenge yo kulu chikatile jutwale kumala si yang.
And I would like to thank our elders, Idor Saisi, Ipa Saisi, and Tong Sing Chan for helping me in gathering these informations, and so I'm able to share this information with you guys tonight.
Lau we olong chite pa ha si le kumaga tu le chomo chokete pa kuma yo putte pa leo bu ja chi.
I know we'll make it.
Nga vi o me da po tan ya.
Double time le salapo chan le we Tong Sing Chan le.
Tong si chen
Okay. Obuja me tele la. Thank you so much, you guys, and thank you for coming out.
Thank you. Okay.
So now I would like to welcome the Lahu group dancers, and they will be performing the traditional Lahu dance.
Traveling extended protection offers 24 times strong.
touching on the wall.